Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ebirr app. First, you'll need to download the Ebirr application from your smartphone's official app store, whether it's for Android or iOS. Once installed, open the app and register your account using your active phone number. You'll then create a secure 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, which is essential for all your transactions. Finally, link your preferred bank account or mobile money. Sending money with Ebirr is straightforward and quick. From the main menu, simply tap on the Send Money option. Next, you will accurately enter the recipient's phone number and the precise amount you wish to transfer. Double-check all the details on the confirmation screen to ensure they are correct. Finally, authorize the transaction by entering your 4-digit secure PIN, and the funds will be sent instantly to the recipient's Ebirr account. The middle game is where strategic plans unfold and tactical opportunities arise. Focus on identifying and exploiting any weaknesses in your opponent's pawn structure, such as isolated or doubled pawns. Work to create open lines for your rooks and queen, allowing them to exert maximum pressure. Always be on the lookout for tactical motifs like forks, pins, and skewers. Practicing calculation, aiming to see at least 2 or 3 moves ahead, will significantly improve your play. Your security is paramount when using Ebirr. Always keep your 4-digit PIN confidential and never disclose it to anyone, even if they claim to be from Ebirr support. Regularly review your transaction history within the app to monitor all your financial activities and quickly spot any unauthorized movements. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, Ebirr customer support is readily available to provide assistance and guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.